Hello everyone. Welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we are going to solve sum number 5 from exercise 3.1. Let's read the question. The following information is available on the talk time in minutes noted for 70 calls of a certain mobile phone user. Find the mean of talk time. Now, talk time is given less than 4, less than 8, less than 12, less than 16, less than 20. Number of calls, that is also called frequency, that is 20, 42, 57, 65, 70. So the given frequency distribution is less than type cumulative frequency distribution. The difference between two successive upper boundary points is 4. Therefore, class length C will be 4 and we get lower boundary point of initial class as 0. We will find frequency of each class from the given cumulative frequency. Now here we have prepared the table writing talk time, number of calls, mid value, then we have to find deviation and F into D, FD. So we'll write the talk time as it is from the question. It is less than 4. First one is less than 4. But our initial class is 0 and the difference between successive upper boundary point is 4. So the first initial class will be 0 to 4. Then next class will be 4 to 8. After that 8 to 12. Then 12 to 16. Then 16 to 20. Now number of calls, we will write it in table as it is 20, 42, 42 is given here, but as it is less than cumulative frequency, we are going to deduct 42 minus 20. That gives you 22. Then 57 minus 42. That gives you 15. Then 65 minus 57. That gives you 8. After that 70 minus 65, and that is 5. Now we are going to find mid value. How to find the mid value? Lower boundary point plus upper boundary point divide by 2. So 0 plus 4 divide by 2. That gives you 2. 4 plus 8 divide by 2. That gives you 6. 8 plus 12 divide by 2. That gives you 10. 12 plus 16 divide by 2, that is 14. And 16 plus 20 divide by 2, that is 18. Now we are going to find deviations, that is x minus a upon c. X means your mid values, a means assumed mean. We can assume here from mid values any value. We have assumed 10 in this sum and class length is 4. So let's find it deviation x minus a divided by c. That is x is 2 minus 10 divided by 4. 2 minus 10 divided by 4 is negative 1. Then 6 minus 10 divided by 4, that will give you minus 2. Then 10 minus 10 divided by 4, that is 0. Then 14 minus 10 divided by 4, that is 1. 18 minus 10 divided by 4, that will give you 2. Now we are going to find FD, that means frequency multiplied by D. So frequency is 20 multiplied by negative 1, that is minus 20. Then it is 22 multiplied by negative 2, that is negative 44. Then 15 into 10, 15 into 0, that is 0. 8 into 1, that is 8. Then 5 into 2, that is 10. Now we are going to find out sigma ft, that means sum of all these numbers, that is sigma fd is equals to negative 44. And we are also going to take out the total of frequency, that means n. N is equals to 70. Here the total of negative number is negative 64 and the total of positive number is 18. So calculating these two will give you 46, not 44. Negative 46. Now we are going to find mean of talk time, and the formula to find mean for shortcut method is x bar is equals to assumed mean plus sigma fd upon n into c. So now we are going to put the values. A we have taken 10 in this sum. Sigma fd that we taken out, that is 46 upon n, that is total of frequency is 70, into class length, that is 4. So 10 we are going to write as it is. 46 divided by 70 into 4 will give you 2.62. As sigma fd is in negative, so the answer here also will be in negative, minus 2.62. So 10 minus 2.62, that will give you 7.38. So mean of the talk time is 7.38 minutes. So here we have finished the sum of shortcut method. Sum number 5 we have finished. Now we will continue with the sum number 6 of exercise 3.1. The information of profit in lakhs of 50 firms is given below. Find mean profit. So here profit and number of firm is given. Profit is 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 21, 21 to 28, 28 to 35. Number of firms, that is also said frequency 4, 9, 18, 12, 7. The given frequency distribution is of equal length. Therefore, we'll find the deviation as x minus a upon c. We'll calculate the mean by shortcut method. So here we have prepared the table in which I have written profit as it is given here: 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 21, 21 to 28, 28 to 35. Number of firms is given, we'll write as it is, that is frequency 4, 9, 18, 12, 7. So the total of frequency is 50. Now we are going to find mid values. 0 plus 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. After that 10.5. After that 17.5. Then 21 plus 28 divided by 2, that will give you 22.5. And then 28 plus 35 divided by 2, that is 27.5. Now we'll find the deviations with the help of formula x minus a upon c. Here in this sum I have assumed mean 17.5. Any value you can assume from mid values. So I have assumed 17.5. Now we'll find out the deviations x minus a divided by c. X is 3.5. A we have assumed 17.5. So 3.5 minus 17.5 divided by c. Here class length is 7. You can see 0 to 7, 7 to 14. The difference is 7. So class length is 7. So here I'll get minus 2. Then I'll get minus 1, 0, then 1, 2. I have find out the deviation with help of this formula x minus a. Here first x is 3.5. A I have assumed 17.5. So 3.5 minus 17.5 and class length is 7. Divide by 7. That gives you minus 2. 10.5 minus 17.5 divide by 7. That gives you minus 1. And so on. Now we are going to find FD. FD is to be taken out multiplying f into d, that is 4 into minus 2, that gives you minus 8. Then 9 into minus 1 gives you minus 9. Then 18 into 0, that gives you 0. Then 12 into 1, that gives you 12. 7 into 2, that gives you 14. So here the total of FD is 9. That means sigma FD is equals to 9. We have total of frequency also, that is 50, and total of sigma FD, that is 9. Now we are going to put the values in the formula. Now we are going to find mean of profit. And the formula to find mean is x bar is equals to assumed mean plus sigma FD upon n into class length. So we have assumed mean 17.5 in this sum, and we taken out sigma FD, that is 9, and our total of frequency is 50 into class length in this sum is 7. So 17.5 I'll write as it is, and I'll calculate this. 9 divided by 50 into 7, that gives you 1.26. So if you add 17.5 plus 1.26, that gives you rupees 18.76 lakhs. So mean of the profit is 18.76 lakhs. Now we have finished sum number 5 and 6. Sum number 7 will be your homework. Thank you.